Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to undo on Grammarly. To undo changes made by Grammarly, you can use the keyboard shortcut. After Grammarly makes a suggestion, you can immediately press Ctrl Z on Windows or Command Z on Mac to undo the changes. This shortcut undoes the last action, including accepting a Grammarly suggestion. For example, I'll make a correction here. After that, I will click Ctrl and Z, and here you can see that it has undone my last action. If you have accepted multiple suggestions and want to revert a specific one, you can manually edit the text back to its original form. So that is how you can undo a suggestion in Grammarly. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.